Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the missing item on Dress to Impress. So it is in VIP. If you don't have VIP, I'm just going to share it to you guys. So in this section over here, there is like an open box, but you can't really click anything on it. There's actually nothing in it. So I don't know what's gonna spawn there. I don't know why they put it there. Maybe they're going to add an item in the next update there. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not like an item that's been removed or whatever, but it's missing. So what do you think it is? Leave it in the comment section down below. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.